So here we are at the Consulate General of the United States of America in Marseille, France. Why are we here? We're here because when we applied to get on the French National Health System, Jeff was initially rejected because his birth certificate uses his first, middle, and last name, and he has never used his middle name on his passport or any other things. So we had to come here to get an official document that confirms that the person listed on the birth certificate is for sure the person listed on the passport.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
So hello, Anne. How are you? Where are you at today? Did you come all the way to Marseille? Did you come to Marseille? And you had to come today because you've got an appointment at 11 o'clock, right?
You have an appointment tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
And the reason is because today the train had a pause of 25 minutes late arrival. So we would have missed our appointment had we come on the day when the train was supposed to arrive. So here you are. Let's go check out Marseille. All right.
And so here we are in Marseille, quick trip overnight. We had to come the day before, and it's a good thing we did because the train we were on was delayed. And we would have missed our appointment if we were on a train that was delayed as much as this morning's train was. So, this is where we are. So far, Marseille is not like the greatest place to be, although it looks like the port is a wonderful area, and we're headed back over there for dinner.
So today, of course, we had to come here early, make sure that we'd have our appointment tomorrow. But as you'll see, some cats come here and sleep right at the gate before they make sure that they don't miss an appointment the next day. So here we are, Bella and a cat waiting for our appointment tomorrow at 11.
Oh.
It's morning. in the port of Marseille. Quite a difference from last night. Interesting machine here in the Marseille train station. You can get a hot pizza in 4 minutes. Look at this. You pick out what you want. Oh, it looks like they even have burgers. And so you select whatever you want, and then it comes out hot in 4 minutes. There you go, you saw it first here.